Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Freedcamp step by step. We'll cover task management, project organization, collaboration tools, time tracking, and reporting features so you can manage your projects more efficiently. Freedcamp is a versatile and user-friendly project management platform that caters to teams of all sizes. Whether you are a freelancer, a startup, or part of a large enterprise, Freedcamp offers a comprehensive suite of tools to streamline your workflow. In this guide, we will walk you through the essential features and functionalities of Freedcamp to help you manage your projects efficiently in 2025. A space digital world, effective project management is no longer a luxury. It is a necessity. Whether you are managing a remote team, collaborating on client projects, or organizing a personal initiative, having the right tools in place can make all the difference. That is where Freedcamp comes in. Freedcamp is a powerful, all-in-one project management platform designed to help teams of all sizes stay organized, communicate efficiently, and meet their goals on time. With a clean interface, customizing features, and robust integrations, Freedcamp stands out as a top choice in 2025 for those seeking clarity and control in their workflows. This comprehensive guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Freedcamp. From creating your first project and assigning tasks to tracking progress with Gantt charts and utilizing AI-powered automation tools, you will learn step by step how to master the platform and streamline your project management process. Whether you are new to Freedcamp or looking to unlock more of its potential, this guide will equip you with the tools and knowledge to manage your projects like a pro. Let's dive in and turn your ideas into organized, achievable plans, one task at a time, creating an account. To get started with Freedcamp, begin by visiting the official website at freedcamp.com. You can create an account using your email address or opt for a quicker sign-up by connecting with your Google or Facebook account. After registering, Freedcamp will prompt you to set up your first project, making it easy to dive right into managing your work. Setting up your first project. Once you have logged in, Freedcamp guides you through the simple process of creating a new project. You will start by entering basic project details, including the project's name and description, and selecting the relevant modules such as calendar, milestones, and tasks. You can then invite your team members by entering their email address so they can collaborate on the project. Lastly, you will define the project settings by choosing privacy options and assigning roles to each team member. After completing these steps, Freedcamp will take you to the project dashboard, where you can begin working immediately. Hitting the dashboard, the Freedcamp dashboard serves as the central hub for all your projects, giving you a clear overview of your tasks, updates, and deadlines. In the My Work section, you will see all the tasks and milestones currently assigned to you. The Important Updates section highlights recent activity and notifications, keeping you informed on any changes or progress within your projects. The Project section lists all your active projects, providing quick access to each one. Meanwhile, the Weekly Overview gives you a calendar view that outlines upcoming tasks and deadlines. You can customize each part of the dashboard to suit your workflow and preferences, allowing for a personalized and efficient workspace. Creating tasks. Within each project, Freedcamp makes it easy to create tasks. Simply click the Add Task button and enter a descriptive title along with any important details. You can assign the task to a specific team member, set a due date, and even break the task into smaller subtasks to help manage workload more effectively. Utilizing the calendar view. Freedcamp's calendar view provides a visual layout of your tasks and deadlines, making it easier to manage time and workload. You can drag and drop tasks to reschedule them quickly, click on a task to view or edit its details, and apply filters to display only the tasks assigned to specific team members. This tool helps you stay organized, meet deadlines, and allocate resources effectively across your projects, tracking progress with Gantt charts. Freedcamp includes Gantt chart functionality to help you visualize your project timeline. By accessing the Gantt tab, you can see how all your tasks and milestones align over time. You can adjust task durations by dragging the edges of the bars and create dependencies by linking tasks together. This makes it easier to plan projects, anticipate challenges, and identify potential bottlenecks before they disrupt progress. Streamlining workflow with templates. If you frequently manage similar types of projects, Freedcamp's templates feature can save you a significant amount of time. You can create a template by setting up a project with all necessary tasks, roles, and configurations, then saving it as a reusable template. Whenever you start a new project, you can apply this template to instantly duplicate your preferred setup. This is especially beneficial for teams with standardized workflows, such as agencies or development teams. Leveraging AI for project creation. In 2024, Freedcamp introduced its AI project creation assistant to help automate and enhance project planning. This smart assistant can generate a list of tasks based on your project's objectives, assign them to team members based on their skills and availability, and set realistic deadlines using past performance data. This feature is available to business and enterprise users, and it dramatically reduces the time required to set up new projects, making planning faster and more efficient. Mobile access. To keep you productive on the go, Freecamp offers mobile apps for both iOS and Android devices. The app allows you to manage your tasks, assign work to teammates, update progress, and receive real-time notifications, all from your smartphone or tablet. Whether you are in the office, working remotely, or traveling, the Freecamp mobile app ensures that your project management doesn't stop. Project management in today's fast-paced, highly collaborative world can be a challenge, but with the right tools, it becomes not only manageable, but also efficient and rewarding. Freecamp stands out as a powerful, intuitive, and flexible solution that brings all the essential features under one roof, empowering individuals, teams, and businesses to take full control of their projects from start to finish. Guide, we have explored every major aspect of using Freecamp in 2025. From creating your first account to leveraging cutting-edge features like AI-driven task automation and real-time collaboration through mobile apps, we began with the basics of setting up your first project, adding team members, defining roles, and selecting the modules that best suit your needs. From there, we took a deep dive into the dashboard, learning how to navigate efficiently and personalize it to enhance productivity. We also look at how to break down work into actionable steps using task and subtask, how to monitor key achievements using milestones, and how to keep everything on schedule with a built-in calendar view. For more visual planners, we explore Gantt charts and how they help in visualizing task relationships and dependencies, a feature that is crucial for staying ahead of deadlines and avoiding delays. Beyond daily task management, we highlighted the time-saving power of project templates, which allow recurring workflows to be duplicated with just a few clicks. That's all there is on how to use Freecamp Project Management, a step-by-step guide for 2025. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Goodbye for now. That is all there is on how to use. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use Freecamp to organize tasks and manage projects more effectively. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical productivity, business, and software tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.